The Volkswagen Microbus Model 2025 comes with a beautifully modernized retro design that pays homage to the iconic classic shape while embracing futuristic elements. The front outlook is smooth and curvy with sleek LED headlights that perfectly blend into the aerodynamic lines of the body. A wide, bold grille featuring the new VW logo sits prominently on the front, surrounded by chrome accents for an upscale touch. The body is available in vibrant two-tone color options, giving it a playful yet elegant presence on the road. Its compact but spacious profile ensures practicality without sacrificing style, making it ideal for both city drives and long road trips. When it comes to suspension, the Microbus 2025 utilizes a fully independent setup, offering a perfect balance between comfort and handling. The front and rear suspensions are finely tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a smooth and stable ride even on uneven terrains. Whether you're navigating urban streets or taking a weekend escape to the countryside, the suspension ensures minimal cabin disturbance and superior ride quality. The road grip of the Microbus is remarkable for a vehicle of its size, thanks to its low center of gravity and wide track width. The all-season tires offer excellent traction, while the electric all-wheel drive system, available in higher trims, enhances stability on slippery or challenging surfaces. Steering is precise and responsive, giving the driver confidence during tight maneuvers and highway cruising alike. Cornering feels controlled, with minimal body roll despite the vehicle's tall design. Speed and overall performance are impressive, considering this is an electric minivan. The 2025 Microbus features a dual-motor setup that delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. It reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The top speed is electronically limited to ensure safety, but the vehicle offers excellent highway passing power and seamless gear transitions through its single-speed automatic transmission. Its long-range battery ensures over 300 miles on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent stops. Inside, the Microbus showcases a spacious and high-tech interior. The dashboard is minimalist and sleek, dominated by a large touchscreen display that controls most of the vehicle's functions. Soft-touch materials and sustainable fabrics enhance the feel of the cabin, while ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere. The seats are available in light beige and gray color options, offering both visual appeal and comfort. Both front and rear seats provide ample support with adjustable features, ensuring a relaxed journey for all occupants. The rear passenger area offers flexible seating arrangements and abundant cargo space, making the Microbus not just stylish but also extremely practical.